So on the last video, I showed you how to use STR, sell-through rate, to find BOLO items, be on the lookout items. So when you're out sourcing, you know what to look for. Well, today, what I'm going to do, we're going to go sourcing, and I'm going to show you how, even if I don't find those BOLO items that I'm looking for, when I do find an item that I'm interested in, how I'm going to use STR, sell-through rate, on my phone to determine very quickly, 30 seconds or less, if that item is going to sell or not. It's going to be very interesting. You're going to learn a lot. You ready? Let's go. So this is one of my local thrift stores. This is St. Vincent de Paul. I find a lot of good things in this one, so let's go check it out and see what I can find today. Little keyboard. Oh, it's just, yeah, that's just a little toy one. That's nothing. I've sold some really good keyboards though. What else have we got? Let's see, we have some power supplies. They test them. It's nothing that I need. Oh, lawn chairs. Vintage lawn chairs, guys. These sell regularly at $2.99. Now these ones I can see need the webbing replaced. Down in the tool section, what's this? That's a haze brake assist kit for RVs. No, not tested and as is. But this is green tag day. So this would be 99 cents. You can see they put $20 on it. Yeah, the problem, there's no other cords in it. I'm going to pass on that. Let's keep looking. Okay. Wait, what's this? What's this? New in the package. Okay, this is a Camco winterizing kit. Now this one possibly could be good. So yeah, I think we're going to take a look at this one. So what I'm going to do here is just going to flip it around. On this one, we're going to use the barcode only. We're not going to worry with the description. Pull out our app and then hit camera and get focused on that barcode. And it should have it. There we go. You can see there's 65 listings. It's right there on the bottom. And condition, all they have is new. So that makes it easy. So there's 65 results. Now what we want to do is we want to go up and hit filter and then hit show more. And then we go down and we locate sold items. And right there, toggle that on, sold items. And now we see that there are 7 results. Only 7 have sold. So on this item, we had 60 something listings and we only have 7 solds. That's not a good sell-through rate. I would pass on this. Okay, so now I'm off to the local Goodwill Unlimited store. And I'm sure most of you are familiar with Goodwill. So let's go in and take a look, see what I can find here today. See if we can find anything that's interesting. I always head down to where the electrical and the tools and electronic type things are. And I tend to scan the middle shelving, but then I like to go back down through and check the lower shelves to see what I can find. Not finding anything interesting at this point. Let's see, let's switch sides. All the sides, mostly kitchen, pots, pans, that type of thing. Nothing interesting. Oh, wait a minute. This is interesting. Check this out. This is an old Sunbeam Mix Master. Those can be worth a lot, but they want $20 for it. Now, these are the blue bins, and that's the new things that come out. And they're, oh, what's this? We got some shoes. These look like Merrells. That's what they look like. Vibram soles. Let's flip this around. Yeah, Vibrams, then they are Merrills. A little bit dirty. We can clean those up if we wanted. Yeah, not too bad. What do they want? They want $10 for these, $9.99. Yeah, let's check these out. I'll show you how to do this by using a description only. And we'll check the STR on these ones, see what they come out to. Okay, pull up our app and search for anything at the top. I just click it. Now I've already searched these for you. You can see the top line, Merrill, and then the number is the J86595. That's underneath the tongue. Just lift the tongue, the tag where the sizing is and so on. That number will be there. And we have 61 results for this particular model. Okay, so what we're going to do here, filter, and then we want to change the condition, and then we're going to select used. There's only one new one, so we got 60 results of used. It's down here on the bottom. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to filter, and then we're going to go down, scroll down, and then hit show more. And then we're going to scroll down again, and we're going to find sold items. Solds, right there, sold items. Toggle that one on. And it has 72 results. Now remember, it had 60 current listings, and 72 of these have sold in the last 90 days. So let's look at them. We have $40 plus shipping, $35 plus shipping, $33, $54.88. Let's see, a $30, a $37, $31, $35, $44, $35, $38. So you can see these are going to run between $38 and $42. We're just going to say $40, and they wanted $10 for these. So it's got a really good sell-through, guys. This is one that's worth picking up. And it is just that easy. So we looked at a winterizing kit for an RV that we used the barcode to look it up. And then we also found the pair of Merrill shoes that we typed in what the item was, the exact model, and got the results on that. Guys, this is not hard to do. And I know before I even go to the cash register to buy if this is an item that's going to sell or not. I hope you enjoyed this. My name's Dave. This is Retired with Purpose. And I'll see you guys on my next video.